Tired of snoring? Here are quick tips to help you sleep quietly. 1. Sleep on your side. Lying on your back makes your tongue block your airway. 2. Raise your head. Use an extra pillow to keep your airways open. 3. Stay hydrated. Dry throat tissues vibrate more and cause snoring. 4. Avoid heavy late-night meals. Eating too close to bedtime can worsen snoring. Try these tonight and breathe better. Like and subscribe for more tips.